Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a soft, moist and perfectly balanced red velvet cake. This classic cake has a beautiful red color, a hint of cocoa and a rich velvety texture. Let's get started. Start by making buttermilk. So I'm taking a milk and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it well and keep aside. Now in a separate bowl, sift all the dry ingredients together. Sifting helps remove lumps and makes the cake light and fluffy. Once done, set it aside. In separate bowl, add vegetable oil and sugar. Mix well until the sugar dissolves slightly. Then add buttermilk and mix together until sugar dissolves. Now add 2 eggs and whisk until the mixture is smooth and slightly pale. Stage, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 4 to 5 drops of red gel food coloring. You will see the batter transform into a beautiful deep red shade. Keep stirring until the color is fully incorporated and there are no streaks left. Now add half of the wet mixture to the dry ingredients and gently fold it in using the cut and fold method. Once partially combined, add the remaining wet mixture and continue folding until the batter is smooth and well combined. Be careful not to overmix to maintain a light and fluffy texture. The batter should be slightly thick but not runny. The consistency of the batter should be like this. This is the perfect consistency for the cake. Now our batter is ready. Let's pour into the pan. I'm using 2 5-inch cake tin. I already greased it. I am going to spread evenly. Once you have poured the batter into the pan, give it a few gentle taps on the kitchen counter. This helps remove any air bubbles and evens out the batter. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius, about 30 to 35 minutes. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool to a wire rack to cool completely before frosting. And there you have it, a soft, moist and beautifully vibrant red velvet cake. You can enjoy it as is or pair with a delicious cream cheese frosting. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more delicious baking ideas. Let me know in the comment how your cake turned out. Thanks for watching.